Good afternoon, partners. I am Ramses Hernandez, and I'm going to summarize the stage 3, and it is the chapter number 4 that is called Ecosystems and Communities. The fifth lesson is called Climate. In here, we learn the concepts of weather, that is the day-to-day condition of Earth's atmosphere, the climate, that is the average condition over long periods. Also, the microclimates, that are created when the environment condition can vary over small distances. Then we learn about the greenhouse effect, that is the phenomenon that occurs when the carbon dioxide, methane, and other greenhouse gases in the atmosphere are allowed to enter the biosphere but slow down the loss of radiated heat to space. Finally, we identified the zones of the Earth that are polar, temperate, and tropical. The next lesson is called Niches and Community Interactions. We learn about the tolerance, that is the ability to survive to some conditions. Also, the habitat, that is the place when an organism lives. The concept of niche, that is the range of physical and biological conditions that are needed by we. Also, we knew the competition and its kinds that are predation and herbivory. Also, the competitive exclusion principle. We learn about the keystone species that are very important in an ecosystems. And finally, we saw the symbiosis and its kinds that are mutualisms. The both species are benefit. Parasitisms, one is benefit and the other harmed, and the commensalism, that one is benefit and the other neither benefit nor harm. Then we saw the relation biomes. We learned about the biomes that are described in terms of abiotic factors like climate and soil type, and biotic factors like plants and animal life. And we reviewed the different variety of biomes and their characteristics, like the tropical rainforest, the tropical dry forest, the savanna, the desert, the temperate grassland, the temperate woodland and shrubland, the temperate forest, the northern coniferous forest, the boreal forest, the tundra, the mountain range, and the polar ice cap. And the final lesson is called aquatic ecosystems. Here we saw the difference between the photic zone, in where the photosynthesis can occur, and the aphotic zone, when the photosynthesis cannot occur. Also, we learned about the freshwater ecosystems that are divided in rivers and streams, lakes and ponds, and the freshwater wetlands. In this last, we can find the estuaries that are when a river meets the sea. And finally, we saw the different ocean zones that are the intertidal zone, the coastal zone, and the open ocean. In conclusion, it is important to the mankind know these biomes, the different climates, and the relations and phenomena that occurs in there, because we are part of this. We are members of these biomes, and regrettable, we are damaging these biomes. It's important to know that we are affecting our life. For this reason, it's important to know about there and change the bad actions by sustainable actions. That's all the chapter. Thank you for watching.
Southern boys with the promised strength.